Once that's done, you'll move into customizing your store. You can change your store's color theme, tweak your product info like the name and price, adjust the customer reviews, edit the FAQ section, and even make changes to the homepage layout. Just click on each section and start editing from there. Everything's laid out super intuitively. You'll be able to see a live preview of your product page. It includes pricing, customer reviews, estimated shipping times, and product highlights, all written in a natural, friendly tone that actually sounds human. Once you've gone through and made the changes you want, click Continue. Now it's time to choose your plan. But before selecting one, make sure to enter the coupon code ecommerce. That'll unlock a discount on whatever plan you decide to go with, so don't skip that step. Once that's applied, you'll see the discounted available plans. I personally recommend the Pro plan, since it gives you access to both the product bundler and the AI product photo tools. When you're ready, just click Start your 7-day free trial. Add your credit card or PayPal details, then hit Approve to confirm it. After you've subscribed and confirmed your plan, Atlas will finish building your store and automatically connect everything to Shopify. You'll see a pop-up saying Import Successful, and from there you can click View Your Store to check it out. You'll see a new theme called Atlas Theme in your theme library. To start editing your store, click Publish. To set it as your active theme, then hit Customize to begin making adjustments inside Shopify's theme editor. Now that the Atlas theme is live, let's make sure it looks right. Go to the top right and switch to Mobile View, since most people will be browsing from their phones. If your store doesn't look quite right, don't panic. Just go to App Embeds on the left menu, and make sure the Atlas toggle is switched on. This fixes the layout and activates all the design features Atlas built into your theme. From here, you can change homepage banners, update product images, rearrange sections, and make sure the store flows nicely from top to bottom. Always save your progress before exiting. The default photos from Amazon are okay, but they often look generic or inconsistent. That's where Atlas's AI product photo tool comes in.